Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel, by the way. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, guys, please just click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at this GBPUSD. We would want to see where this price is moving. First of all, I want us to start with the daily time frame on this GBPUSD down to our 1 hour time frame. Then we will take a look at the US index. Now, what we have here is our daily time frame. If you are to zoom it out, we would see that we are on a bearish move. Price is dropping. We all know that. We can also see that I've also applied a 10-period moving average. So price has actually been below 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading 10-period moving average. Once the price is below 10-period moving average, we have to short it, right? But if it is above it, then we have to go long. So we clearly can see that for some time, price has been above 10 below 10-period moving average. Then all of a sudden it broke above it. Then it came back, and again it is now above this 10-period moving average, right? You all will be looking to go long. I personally too would also be looking to go long. What but we'll also be looking to go long. At least we should actually get to this level. Once price can get to this level, then we will see another drop. Reason is that no, our USD index is still on a bullish move, meaning our USD pair is still bullish. Then the GBP itself to our USD will actually definitely drop. This is just like a correction if you want to see it, by the way. So you can take it like that as a correction anyhow. So I mean, is this bullish move as a pullback over? I think so. It will be over or it won't be over. Let's take a look at this movement. We can take a look at it like this. Take a look at this movement here. You can see this drop, a pullback, another drop, right? Then here we are against pullback, and now we are seeing a drop, right? So is this drop over? Then we now see this, we saw this pullback, right? So is this pullback over? Well, I don't think so. Maybe we would have to go a little bit bullish move, and let's see if this price will kind of give us like a double top of a movement before we see this drop again. So this GBP USD, be very, very careful. There's every possibility it is not over yet. We still need to go a little bit bullish. We still need to go up more before you actually see that drop. So we will be able to confirm it on our GBP USD. Remember, once the USD index is going up, then our GBP pairs will be dropping. Now let's see what this USD index says. So we will start with the daily time frame. Now take a look at this movement on this USD index. We are on a bullish move, right? Price is actually rising, it is going up. Now, if you take a look at this movement here, you see that price is above 10-period moving average. Let's see it here. This was this ice here. But let me zoom it out and start it properly. We will study this movement from here. This movement like this, we add an higher highs, right? Then we add this higher lows. Then the new one we add is another higher highs, which actually broke this previous higher highs. Then here we add this higher lows, a pullback. Then a new higher highs was made. We know that this higher highs has actually broken this previous higher highs, right? So we now add a pullback now. So we are now on an higher highs again. So definitely on the full trend on this daily time frame, we would want to go high to be able to break this previous higher highs, right? So are we going to go high straight away on this movement? If you are to see it, take a look at this movement here. So I mean, from here, are we going to go high straight? Definitely not. We will go up, and a pullback should occur. I think this is what we are having on this USD index. We can see this movement here. Then a pullback should occur. After the pullback, what next again? We will be expecting another bullish move, right? So once the pullback has happen on USD index, right, then we would expect another bullish move to happen. It is exactly what played out here when it was dropping. We saw that this price drop here, then we saw a pullback on this drop, and guess what again? A drop again happened. So definitely, as we are going up here, a pullback should occur, then another bullish move. So is this pullback over? Well, I don't think so. We still need to drop a little bit. So once this USD index will be dropping, then we should be seeing a little bit of a bullish move on our GBP to use the USD before it drops. Now, this is to confirm it. We would go to confirm it. We will drop to our 4-hour time frame on this USD index. Now, take a look at this movement, right? So this price has actually dropped, right? Now, take a look at where price has reacted to multiple times. That is how price reacts. Once price has reacted to a level multiple times, price is close to that level, it will definitely go to that level and react to it multiple times. Take a look at this movement here on USD index. We saw that price came here, a pullback happened, then it pushes up. We saw that price also dropped to the same level, right? It's also dropped to this level here and pull back. Then once price broke below it, we saw price rose again to this level. We saw it reacted here, right? So there's strong every probability that this USD index will drop to this level. So as this USD index drops to this level, right, then we will see that bullish move we are all talking about on our GBP USD. So a bullish move should come up. So where is this our USD index will start giving us like a pullback or like reacting to a level which will be giving us that bullish move on our USD index. That is when we will start seeing that drop on our GBP USD. So watch out for it, guys. On Friday, we would have a little bit of a bullish move on this GBP to USD. Then we would see that massive fall on GBP USD. So just watch out for it. You should be prepared that GBP to USD will be dropping anytime soon. But first of all, I think we still need to go bullish a little bit on GBP USD as this USD index is actually seen. So now let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame on GBP USD first, because I like taking my trade on the 4-hour time frame, and taking trade on the 4-hour time frame is better. So this is the 4-hour time frame, right? I mean, take a look at this movement. We all clearly can see this is an uptrend move. We saw this impulse move, a little bit of a correction. Now impulse move, we are getting a little bit of a correction. So I think once this correction is over, we should actually see another impulse move that will be made. Let's see this correction will come and react here. We see price reacted here, right? We saw price drop to the same level, right? We saw it also reacted here, right? And it was close to the same level, close to it. So once the GBP would be giving us a drop, we should actually see it drop to the same level. It depends on when you are watching it, guys. So I mean, if you are watching it early, then fine. If you are watching it late, well, the price should have moved further and corrected itself. Just know. So if you are watching it late, just click on the subscribe button so you will get an update. So this is why I'm saying on this 4-hour time frame, GBP USD should actually drop to the same level because price reacted here. It came also reacted here. We saw it reacted here. It was even close to this same level, close by the way. Then we saw it drop. So once price break above this same level, price has been reacting. Of course, a pullback, a test to come and up. Price should come test this level. Then a bullish move would be made. So on our GBP USD, so a pullback should happen and a bullish move. And let's see what our Fibonacci also says. Fibonacci retracement. Let's start it from here. So I'll start it from this eyes here. So I mean, we see Fibonacci, we see 23, right? 23%, 23.6%, and we also see 28.2. There's every possibility that this pullback will come to 38.2. Those who are using Fibonacci, because you see it, price has reacted to that 38.2 multiple times. So ish, there's high probability it will come to 38.2. Once if this price can get to 23.6, it break below, it comes to 38.2. Once it comes there, then we should kind of see like a bullish movement, and then again a massive drop would happen. Exactly what might possibly happen. So just watch out on it on GBP USD for the day. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame says itself. So 1-hour time frame is still in a bullish move, right? So guys, 1-hour time frame, we are on a pullback. So I mean, this pullback, once it is dropping, right, we would want to see it. Once it is dropping, it will very much reflect, it will very much show on the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at it. We would want this price to drop on the 4-hour time, 1-hour time frame to this level, right? We would want to see it to drop to this same level. So when you go to the 4-hour time frame, see the level here. So once the price can drop, it tests this level, then we should actually see a rally movement upward. So 1-hour time frame, we are still on a bullish move, by the way. So a pullback should happen. Once a pullback happen, then a bullish move will happen again on GBP USD.